Good morning and welcome to my line tips. Today is Saturday, the 25th of May 2024. When we have a total of 19 odds for you, 17 matches. Let's get started. The first game we have here is in Poland, where Legia Warsaw is taking on Isabel. My prediction is over 1.5 goals. We have the next one still in Poland, where Jagiellonia is taking on Water Posna, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have here is a game in the Norway where Fredrikstad is taking on Tromsø, over 1.5 goals. We have a game in the Serbia League where Stevena is taking on FK Kari. FK could carry, my prediction is over 1.5 goals. We move on to France where Lyon is taking on PSG, over 1.5 goals. Real Madrid taking on Betis in the La Liga, over 1.5 goals. In Denmark, we have a game between Randers taking on VG, over 1.5 goals. Juventus taking on AC Monza, over 1.5 goals. We move on to Austria where Striving is taking on Fairway over 1.5 goals. We move on to Israel where Maccabi Haifa is taking on Oppo Haifa over 1.5 goals. We move to Czech Republic where Kavina is taking on Dynamo Shares, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. If you have not liked this video till this moment, kindly hit the like button, and we believe that today games will bring success to us. So like and share this video with your friends. Drop where you're watching us from in the comment section. If you can convert this to other bookmaker, also share with your colleague in the comment section. Okay, moving on, we have a game between Viborg taking on Odense in the Denmark League One, over 1.5 goals. Then another game we have here is a game between Communication Unido taking on Sporting Cristal in the Paraguay, rather I think. Yes, Peru League One, over 1.5 goals. Then we have another game in the Netherlands where FCMM is taking on NAC Breda over 1.5 goals. Still in Netherlands, SV Rotterdam taking on Ado Den Haag over 1.5 goals. Move on to Czech Croatia where Varadin is taking on NK Osijek over 1.5 goals. The last game we have here is in Belgium where Yellow Red Munchen is taking on Standard Liège over 1.5 goals. That gives us 19 or 17 matches. So this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. That's the booking code. You can as well. I believe you have picked the booking code. So good luck and always remember to bet responsibly. If you want to join our VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Thank you.